Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook vodka sauce from a jar, turning a simple ingredient into a delicious meal. First, gather your ingredients. 1 jar of quality vodka sauce, 1 pound of your preferred pasta, and about 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Ensure you have a large pot for pasta and a saucepan for your sauce. Choosing a pasta shape like penne or rigatoni will help the rich sauce cling beautifully to every piece, enhancing your dining experience. To achieve perfectly cooked pasta, fill a large pot with at least 4 quarts of water and bring it to a vigorous, rolling boil. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of coarse salt to the water. This step is crucial for seasoning the pasta from the inside out. Introduce your 1 pound of pasta to the boiling water, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook it for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, or until it reaches a pleasant al dente texture, which means it is firm to the bite. While your pasta cooks, begin to prepare your sauce for an elevated flavor. Heat a medium saucepan over medium-low heat and optionally add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then sauté 1/4 cup of finely diced onion or 2 cloves of minced garlic for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, pour in the entire 24-ounce jar of vodka sauce, stirring gently to incorporate any sautéed ingredients. Allow the sauce to simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, warming it thoroughly and allowing its rich flavors to meld beautifully. Once your pasta is al dente, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta cooking water before draining. This liquid is a secret ingredient, helping to emulsify and slightly thicken your sauce. Now, drain the pasta thoroughly using a colander, shaking off any excess water without rinsing it, as rinsing removes the starch needed for the sauce to adhere. Transfer the hot, drained pasta directly into the simmering vodka sauce, tossing gently until every strand is beautifully coated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.